Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. So in this video, we're going to be talking about pool deck drainage and channel drains. So we actually install a lot of channel drains, but I don't post a whole lot of videos on them because I'm more of a laying pipe kind of guy and I enjoy installing drainage pipe more. But maybe I'll start posting some more videos showing the channel drain installs. So this particular one, I don't have any footage of us actually cutting through the concrete and the pavers here, but it was a micro channel drain originally what was here, and the client wanted to go ahead and up those to 4-inch because they were taking in a lot of water, just residual rainwater that was landing on this pool deck, and it was flooding towards the porch area, the seating area, and the glass doors. Now here in Florida, it's code that the pool decks have to actually pitch away from the pool, and from what I've heard, the reason why they do this is because they want to keep pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, stuff like that from running off and getting into the pool. So the decks are pitched away from the pool to keep that runoff water away. So channel drains are pretty vital for keeping water away from your seating area. And if you are unfortunate enough to be on a really low slabbed house, keeping the water from getting into the sliding glass doors, because some of the homes here in Florida, especially the older ones, the slabs are very low, so water can actually get in from beneath the sliding glass doors. That can seep in. So as you can see here, when you're laying channel drains, ideally you want them to be level, but if you're working on an existing concrete slab or paver patio or asphalt, you do have to kind of work with the pitch that's already provided for you, unless you're going to be pouring a whole new pad or patio. So you do have to work with the pitch, but whenever possible, you want the channel drains to be level, because ideally that water is going to travel the path of least resistance. Once it gets inside the channel drain, water is going to take both routes. It's going to go left and it's going to go right. So you want two discharge ends on a channel drain. And as long as the channel drain is level, that water is going to travel either direction, and the channel drain is going to drain out. Now, if you can get a little bit of pitch on your channel drain, if you're working on an existing slab that has a little bit of pitch to it, then definitely get the pitch because it will help it drain out that much better. But when you are working on an existing patio, you do have to follow the contour that's already provided for you, unless of course the client just wants to have the entire pool deck and everything torn up and redone, which costs a pretty penny. So most of the time our clients choose to just have us install the channel drains on the existing pool deck. So you can see here we got our concrete put in, we got everything cleaned up. Now depending on what the pool deck looks like, sometimes we'll use more concrete, other times we'll try to make it really thin, especially when you have decorative pavers like this. The concrete is necessary to hold that channel drain in place so it doesn't move. Now this particular one, we had to discharge it to a sump pump station to be able to have that water pumped out. Because the channel drain was very low on this pool deck, there was no way we were going to be able to gravity feed it to the front, so we had to take it to this large sump pump station here. So there's stone that surrounds this entire sump pump basin. So this entire thing can act as a reservoir to store water, and then the pump will be responsible for moving it out. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It supports the channel. It helps out what we do. If you need drainage in the Tampa Bay area, whether it's channel drains, downspout drains, French drains, give Stormwater Drainage Solutions a call at 813-614-3456. We install PVC systems, dual wall systems, triple wall systems. If it's drainage pipe, we got you covered. Give us a call.